backpack here has some really cool features to it. Right off the bat, as you can see, it's a light gray. And unlike other backpacks or normal backpacks that you'll find, you'll see that there's not any type of zipper, right here on the outside. You can't zip it up here, there's not pockets. And that's because this backpack was designed, as per the description, to deter any type of theft. So if you turn the backpack on the its flip side, you'll see this lip here actually covers where the zipper actually goes. Now I have it unzippered, so I'm not going to show you. I mean, you get the idea. It zips all around underneath this flap. Because I have my camera in one hand, so I'd be jiggling with this for too long. So anyway, as you can see, the zipper goes along that lip there, and then it opens up to a bunch of compartments that definitely make up for what the backpack lacks in compartments on the outside, although that is intentional. As you can see, you have your area for pens and pencils, you have a zippered area, you have another area for your laptop, an area where you can strap something in if you wanted to, or that you need extra protection for. There's a lot of depth to this backpack too, so you don't have to worry about not being able to fit everything in. The straps are very comfortable, very squishy. The only thing that this backpack does not have that I just love on pretty much any backpack are the chest and waist straps that hold the backpack in place when you're hiking or even just out and about in the city or school or what have you. The other thing I didn't mention yet about this backpack is on the right side here, if you're looking at it from this angle, you have the zippered compartment that is right on that lip, and it's actually somewhat sizable. I mean, because this is going to be in like that, so no one's going to even know you have a zipper there. So that's a good place to put something that, you need to access quicker than opening the whole backpack, but at least it won't be, like, oh, here I am on the outside. So overall, durability, obviously I just received this. I cannot really speak for durability, but as always, as I always say, if I have any problems with durability, because I switch out all my backpacks very often, because I'm always on day hikes and out for the day with my dogs and doing different activities, I will definitely update if there's any issues with durability. As far as I can tell, this does not strike me as a flimsy backpack by any means. It's made, it seems to be made very sturdily, and I could be mistaken. I will update this, or put this rather, in my review. I think this is water resistant on the outside. Definitely feels that way. Overall, great backpack.